Yo, guys, what's up and what's good, man? Hopefully there's not sunbeams just blasting on my face right now, but I just emerged from a coma? Is that how you say it? A coma. Yeah, I just emerged from a coma-like nap, bro. I was knocked the hell out, and now the sun is starting to go down and just blasting on me, so forgive me. But first and foremost, guys, it goes without saying that duck head is the best head. So yes, I am representing the duck head brand, and it's quacktastic.
That's quacktastic.
But as you guys can see, man, I'm shooting a video without a mask on, which means I am live from the comfort of my own home today with a brand new unboxing. All right, guys, so here we have the fat stack. Wow, that almost just took out one of my eyes. That I'm going to unbox today. Now, I just cannot resist these purple fingernails, and yeah, I moved the camera back like a foot, so hopefully the sun isn't gonna infiltrate my shot. But yeah, dude, this is only half or a third of everything that I have, so if your parcel isn't included, please forgive me. There's legit boxes everywhere, which is kind of a great problem to have, and I really appreciate you guys sending stuff to my P.O. box, and if you have anything for me, link in description. Now, I don't even know how I want to go about chopping into this dude. To tell you the honest truth, there's no point of entry, so I guess I'm just gonna have to rip the paper Christmas style and see what's up in here. I feel like this has to be from a sneaker company because it came to my home address, and there's only like 4 people that have my home address, so let's see what's up with it, bruh. It's sad to get rid of that paper like that, bro. Cold world. All right, so we have a nice little line to chop open. Oh, bro, I just threw that. It probably was off camera, bro. If I would have made a single error, my hand would be gone. All right, Trish, do that dirt for me. All right, so we have penetrated. We're in here. Let's go ahead and unbox this together. I have no idea what this is. Oh my God, bro. Okay, so we got a Champs Sportswear, what appears to be Nike collab, the Lebassis. I think that's what it says. Lebassis, the Lebassis. What on earth, bro? Oh man. Yo, this goes hard, bruh. Number 1, the thread count is crazy. Jesus God. Oh my God, look what's on the back of this. Holy hell, bruh. Okay, this is crazy, man. I've never gotten anything from like Nike before, so this is lit, and I was not expecting it. Got a basketball in the Rastafarian color schemes. And this isn't even sponsored, so I guess I can roast these shoes with their ass. So that's amazing as well. But based off the amount of embroidery, I don't think these will be booty meat, because you guys know I'm a fiend for the sewing machine and everything like it. So yeah, it says Nike Air Force 1 right there in this nice kind of chrome font. Let's crack into this. Oh, okay. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, based off the amount of embroidery and the colors, I thought these would be crazier, but they're still dope. Well, boom, look at these. You got the very clean Nike Air Force 1s. Now, these are not all black Air Force 1, so I guess I'm not gonna be stomping people out in these, unfortunate. But I mean, they do have the camo as well, so maybe in an Arctic environment, we can go to war in this thing. So yeah, there's just a weird amalgamation of patterns on this. So you have the icy outsoles, again, kind of Nordic-like. Look at these, okay, Nordic. I want to say Nordic and Arctic, so I just made a new word. Cocaine laces, and then you have like plaid surrounding them, so you have little plaid hits. Then you have the snow-like grayscale camo, the blue check, and then a holographic tongue tag that appears to be the amalgamation of plaid and camo. Very interesting, and then there are like blue accents on it. Honestly, I don't even know what to make of these shoes, bro. They're definitely dope, and shoot, I love rocking white kicks, and these have just subtle accents, so I appreciate it, Champs, and I appreciate it, Nike. I had no idea you'd be sending me this. It's lit, bro. Yeah. Now, in this box, there's a couple more things. Oh yeah, there's a note. It says, "Hi Paul, thanks for supporting Champs Sports and Nike. Enclosed, you will find a pair of the Nike Remix Air Force 1s. So that's the name, man. I do get why there's a different, you know, collaboration of colors on that. And then you also have this t-shirt right here. The screen printing is subpar on it.
Tripping.
No cap. But dang, I really appreciate that. And the backpack is cool as hell. Like, I mean, bro, come on, dude. That goes stupid. So yeah, shout out Nike, shout out Champs. Now that I think about it, they did email me, but they said you had to be like below the age of 22 or something to be part of the campaign or to get paid. I don't know what it was, but I'm like, that's age discrimination, bruh. All right, so the next box we're gonna get into is this little dude right here. It says Corona on it. Hey, it's that season, bro. And it's that bird. Now, some of these might be eBay purchases. And yeah, I am the worst at unwrapping gifts. So, or just boxes in general. So this thing might be old as hell. Oh, someone named Christine used this package before me. I really go in depth with reading the labels, Christine. All right, guys, we're in here. So there's an abundance of bubble wrap, which is amazing. And yes, this is something I ordered off of eBay, and this is a straight grail, bro. It's in this nice package right here. And let's go ahead and unfurl it one time for the culture. My brothers, you have the Houston Oilers pinstripe baseball jersey. This thing is big as hell. It says it's size large, bro. This thing is like, was flirting between like XL and XX, bro. But I ain't even tripping, cause I'm a tall glass of water. So I can rock stuff that's a little bit too big if need be. Houston Oilers right there, man. Look at that little patch on it. Yeah, get a nice in-depth shot. It has little blue accents. This is from Front Row. That's the name of the brand. So I really am excited about this piece, trying to build up my Houstonian Heat collection. So this is a banger. Shout out myself for dropping a little bit of dough on that. I think it was like 60 or 50 bucks. Wow. Moving on, next up we have a hat, and I think this was for a promotion that I was gonna do, but you know what? I didn't get around to it. So I'm just gonna open this right now and see what's inside. Oh wait, oh, this is from somebody. It says, should I ship hats in a bag? And then there's a note on this side. It says, yo, what it do? I grabbed a 400 hat lot at a local collection. Didn't see much Texas team gear, but this piece was in it. Thought it deserved a good home. Stacks. Oh, this from the homie Taco Stacks, bruh. Y'all go subscribe to him. He is the originator of finding fire in trash cans. And that's not exactly true, but it might be. I don't really know, but he be popping with it. But thank you, Mr. Taco Stacks. You're amazing, dude. Look at this. University of Texas. Yes, that is where I went to school. You have the steed on the front of the hat. Reebok tramp stamp on the back. This is clean, man. It's a nice little essential, and it definitely kind of goes with the duck aesthetic just a tad bit. So yes, thank you, Taco Stacks, for real, man. I do get enjoyment out of your videos, and I have to tune in to see you just rummaging through trash and loading up your van. So thank you so much, my brother. I appreciate you. Blessed. We have another box from eBay, baby. Let's hop into this small guy first, and then we'll hop into the huge box last. So I like starting off with a bang, and I like ending it on that similar note. All right, guys, we're up in here. Wait, what is this? Did I order this? Oh, bro, I almost just shattered something. I didn't even order this. This is from one of you guys to my P.O. box. Y'all get me with that eBay tape every time. All right, this says, Paul Whiskey. I think that's what it says, Paul Whiskey. Hope you like these, bro. You already know I fucks with you heavy. Keep grinding it out, Playboy. God bless, Mr. McFly. It says, P.S. If it's not too much, bro, if you get a chance, or remember, if you could shout out my kids on the vlog. Hey, they F with me. Okay, shout out Jacob, Michaela, JJ from Odessa, Texas. All right, man. Shout out you guys, fellow Texans. But yeah, I let these things clap and I almost shattered one of them. But it appears that we have some glasses. Bro, I saw my life leave me. Oh, we have some glasses. Yes, sir, baby. Family channel, but fishes get you hella bitches. The kids gotta know one way or another. Look at this, man. You have a bunch of salmon on here. This fool has that overbite, my God. Needs to check out an orthodontist one time. And then we have another parcel right here. Let's see what this one's all about. Oh yes, you got Jeff Gordon, huh? The Beast. I actually used to own this cup or I might still. But hey, we just doubled up. Can't wait to sip something special out of this. Thank you so much, Mr. McFly. Your handwriting was impeccable. It was a nice cursive, and I was having a hard time reading it just because my mind is not in the 17th century. But nevertheless, I appreciate you. Shout out you and your whole kids for watching. Love you guys. All right, now's the big bruiser right here, baby. Yes, sir. This is from that boy, Sean Barr, or Essian, however you want to pronounce it, bro. I'll get exotic if I have to. All right, guys, so we are in here, the big behemoth package, and I'm gonna start off with the piece of literature. It says, yo, Paul, I S with you. Enjoy the heat. Red Man, Method Man. Ha! Shout out my Instagram, at Good Vibes Thrift and Vintage. Depop, at 5-Star Thrift. Shout out Sean, baby, from Northern New York. All right, and he included, this was one of the shortest letters I've ever read, bro. But you got straight to the point. I appreciate that, Sean. There you go, guys. Check out that business card right there. Everything you need to know is right there in that cardboard. Okay, so there's a lot to unpack in this box, but we're gonna start off with a couple of shirts. Yes, bro. You don't even know how much I've been needing these. Homie sent me this amazing Taz Christmas Kringle like fire. That is Taz, right? I think so, man. His mouth isn't open though. I guess it's because he's just dreaming of a white Christmas right there. But this is an amazing piece. Thank you so much. You guys stay tuned for December. It's going down. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what's happening, but it's gonna be something amazing. And then you have this amazing Bear, what's that say? Bear Peak? Battle at New Hampshire. That's not what that says. I think it says like Bartell or something, but a nice Harley's Owners Group t-shirt right here. Harley Davidson. So I appreciate that. I might wear this right now while I do some yard work just to really get the sweat infusion in the fabrics. All right, I'm gonna get into this because this just seems heavy and very breakable. Oh, we got another one. Bro, I have one of these and we just doubled up. That's what we're doing today. You have the peanut M&M. Get some protein in your life. On the recliner, just chillaxing. This is beautiful. Man, I might have to find another place to display this or just take it whenever I do pop-up events, whenever this virus is just done. We have another big basket. This is not a basket. And oh, dude, you have the M&M on the Harley right here, sticking with the motorcycle theme. Again, the Crippin' Peanut. I appreciate that. America, baby. Y'all know what time it is. This thing is sick. And then it has like a swanger on the back of it. Some real Houstonian shit. Now that's not all. You got a couple more pieces up in here to just kind of bang out the rest. You have the 92 Summer Games Special Olympics coach.
Perfect.
Yes, sir, baby. I'm gonna be pulling up like Johnny Knox in the ringer in that thing, huh? This is a clean colorway. It's in a nice kind of aquaberry, antioxidants I need in my life, so I appreciate that. And then last and certainly not least, this says, I suffer from PMS, putting up with men's shit. Yes, I do, you crazy little sons of out there. Anyways, guys, that's gonna conclude this unboxing. I don't know if it was short, I don't know if it was long, but it feels like I was talking for a minute, so I'm not gonna say too much else. Check out thriftheavenvintage.com if you guys wanna grab any vintage gear. Shout out everyone who sent me stuff and who already has sent me a bunch of shit. I'm gonna do another unboxing coming up this week, so just stay tuned for that. Hold tight, because we got some more mystery bangers coming y'all's way. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. But seriously, I love you guys, and thanks for the support, for always watching and dropping comments. It means the world, man. Peace. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and until next time, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.